Packaging has always been a significant concern in transporting bitumen. One of the issues while shipping is bitumen leakage and environmental side effects. Therefore, there are various packing types depending on the cargo scale, bitumen grade, and shipping. Join Infinity Galaxy to take a tour in the world of bitumen packing. Generally, bitumen is bulk or packed. Bulk bitumen. In bulk packing, bulk couriers load the heated bulk bitumen and deliver it to the destination port. Compared to other types of packing, bulk bitumen is cheaper with less transportation costs. To unload the bulk bitumen, it should be in a liquid state. Therefore, as the bulk carrier approaches the port, they turn on the heater to liquefy the bitumen. The minimum amount of transported bitumen by each courier is 1,000 tons. Common bulk carriers can usually carry 3 to 30,000 tons of liquid bitumen. Types of packed bitumen. Drums. Drums are the most conventional bitumen packing. Drums can vary in terms of bitumen volume, height, thickness, and lid. The commonest thickness is 6 millimeters. Let's see some drum types together. Long new steel drum. It is the commonest drum for exporting bitumen. It contains about 180 kilograms of bitumen. A 20-foot container loads 110 long new steel drums, and the final cargo weighs about 20 tons plus minus 5%. In the table, you can see specifications of long new steel drum. Short new steel drum. This drum is popular in East Asia, especially in Bangladesh and Indonesia. It takes about 150 kilograms of bitumen. A 20-foot container takes 110 short new steel drums, which weighs about 16.5 tons plus minus 5%. You can see short new steel drum specifications in the table. Short new steel drum big lid. Short new steel drum big lid is common in some parts of India and Nepal. It is almost the same as the typical short new steel drum with a different lid and capacity of 156 kilograms. Here are the specifications of short new steel drum big lid. Long new steel drum 200 kilograms. 200 kilograms long new steel drum is popular in Pakistan market and some other countries. It takes about 210 kilograms of pure bitumen. A 20-foot container takes 80 drums of this type and it weighs about 16.5 tons plus minus 5%. Here are the specifications of the long new steel drum 200 kilograms. Jumbo bag. Jumbo bag has become very popular recently and is superior to traditional metal drums. Storage and transportation of them are much easier and cheaper compared to drums. It is consumable, therefore bitumen and jumbo bag are melted together. It means we do not need to constantly spend energy to keep the bitumen in the liquid state. Additionally, it speeds up the bitumen melting and cooling process to such an extent that the liquid boiling bitumen cools down in cold water. Unlike drums, jumbo bags reduce bitumen waste by about 3 to 4%. Approximately, the waste goes zero. Before putting jumbo bags in the truck or container, they get secured with a steel cage or a wooden pallet. Each cage pallet contains a 1 metric ton jumbo bag or 250 kilogram packages and should be loaded and arranged properly to reach the destination safely and intact. Here are the jumbo bags specifications. Bitumen. Bitumeners are particular containers for bitumen. Due to loading volume, optimal heating, and stability, it is a suitable method of bitumen transporting. In places with no access to maritime transport, bitumener is an optimal option. A bitumener takes 21 to 27 tons of bitumen. These are the commonest types of bitumen packing. Customers and suppliers choose the proper packing considering their project and requirements. With years of experience in the field of bitumen export, Infinity Galaxy tries to raise public awareness about petroleum products. For more information, visit www.infinitygalaxy.org.